Here's my brown rice idli batter. Look at the color, it's like dark pink to red in color. The only difference in this batter is that I have used full bran rice. This variety is called Valiya Chennellu and is from Kerala. Namaskaram, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on MUNCH&MULL. Valiya Chennellu is a bright, beautiful, long-grained rice from the hills of Wayanad in Kerala. Available as unpolished raw rice, it is known among the tribal community for its nutritive and healthful properties. Glistening in its dazzling hue of red, this heirloom rice is therefore considered a medicinal rice. Traditionally, Valiya Chennellu is said to be particularly beneficial for women's health. Like most of the medicinal red rice, Valiya Chennellu is a full bran raw rice. The whole process of making the batter is same as I have uploaded in my previous episode of brown rice idli. The only difference in this batter is that I have used Valiya Chennellu from Kerala. Hey, have you subscribed to MUNCH&MULL? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.